Let us try to understand. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to dealing with understanding the diversity. Yesterday in the last two videos we have already deals with the different types of aspects as far as the diversity of India is concerned. So there are different types of factors. Depending upon these factors, we have to see today about the historical and geographical factors, how they can influence on the diversity of a particular region. That we have to see in this point. So we can do this by reading about the life of the two different places in India, and one of the place, and these places are in the different parts of our country. Kerala, that is in the southern part of our country, and Ladakh, that is in the northern part of country. Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Very little agriculture is possible here. Why very little agriculture is possible here? Because here is no any type of rain. This area doesn't receive any type of rain, and it is covered in a snow for a large part of the year. Also, there are very few trees that can grow in this type of region. So, for drinking water, people depend on the melting snow of that particular area, and that snow melts in the summer season. So, the occupations of the people of Ladakh region is sheep and goats. Means animal husbandry. The goats in this region are special because those goats produce pashmina wool, a different types of wool, a famous variety of wool, that is pashmina. And this pashmina wools is very useful in different types of aspects. This pashmina wool shawls cost a lot of money. Due to this, it is the pashmina wool is very important as far as the people of Ladakh is concerned, and they sell this wool to the traders from Kashmir. The people the people in the Ladakh region do the business of selling pashmina shawl in that region. So now we will see about what is the food of the people of Ladakh region. The people eat meat and milk products like cheese and butter. And the special features of these people is every family owns some goats, some cows, and some yaks. As being a desert, this part means Ladakh, it attracts the traders for its pashmina wools. So many people come here to trade pashmina wool. So Tibet is a part that is near this region. There are different types of textiles also produced, and spices is also trading material as far as the people of Ladakh is concerned. Okay, that's all, students.